Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we're back with another Amazon finds and favorites. These are things from Amazon that I've purchased lately that I've been loving, just reviews if they're worth it or not. Everything will be linked down below, as well as my Amazon shop. You can check that out for even more recommendations. And as some of you may know, it is Prime Day month. Amazon Prime Day is July 12th to 13th, and I will be covering all the sales, all that good stuff, doing giveaways, so subscribe if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram for more day-to-day content, and let's get into it. This is my favorite foundation at the moment besides the Kosas. I feel like the Kosas foundation that I talked about in my latest current favorites video is really good, but it has more coverage, so I use it for going out and go to dinners and things like that, mostly like when I want to do a full face of makeup. This one is great for every day. So this is drugstore, it's L'Oreal, and it's the Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation with sunscreen. It is the perfect amount of coverage. It's very nice and hydrating, very nice and glowy. I just love how it looks. It's literally like $9. And honestly, y'all, I prefer this over higher end foundations that I've tried recently, especially the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. I feel like that one was not it for my skin and very expensive. This is like $9 and it looks flawless. This is a little electric brush, and it comes with all these different heads, and this is great for especially cleaning the bathtubs and the tiles and things like that, because you don't really need a ton of manpower. You have this and it's just so cool to have. So it comes with different brush heads. So it has this one would be great for cleaning like stainless steel appliances, oh my goodness, or anything like that. It's like softer and more of like a cloth material. And then it comes with a little smaller one, which is great for hard to reach places. I got mine on sale, so I highly recommend just waiting until it is discounted. But besides that, I love having this. So today's video is so exciting because it's actually in collaboration with an Amazon jewelry company. They make anything from fine jewelry that comes with a certificate of authenticity, so it's more higher quality, and they also make gold-plated pieces that are more affordable and are still really amazing quality as well, just at a different price point. So I wanted to show you all the goodies that I got because everything is so beautiful and would make an amazing gift for anyone in your life. And all the jewelry that I'm wearing today is from Amazon, which is so exciting. I have so many pieces to show you, but I just had to take a moment and talk about my favorite, probably like one of my top 5 favorite jewelry finds of all time. It is this beautiful dainty pearl bracelet. I love this so much, and y'all do too, because every time I've been wearing it, I've gotten comments, DMs on Instagram. It's just a perfect bracelet. I love how dainty it is. I love the little pearls, and I've been wearing it non-stop since I got it probably back in May, and it looks beautiful and brand new. It's super high quality, and it came with a certificate and everything. So the other pieces that I'm wearing besides the beautiful bracelet that I love are these super pretty hoop earrings. Let me zoom you in. So this one, I love that it has all the pretty stones, and it's like a great everyday size. And these are more fun. I love the little stones and kind of like the texture it has. I think it's so fun and pretty and so out of my comfort zone. I never wear hoops like this, and I love how they look. These though, look how beautiful. I'm obsessed. So these necklaces, one of them is from like the fine jewelry line, and then this one is not, and they're both equally so beautiful. This is probably like my most worn necklace this month, just because I love how dainty it is and it layers so well. I just love how unique this one is with the teardrop and the little stones. They're just so pretty, and everything has been such great quality. Like nothing has tarnished, nothing has made my skin turn weird, and they just wear so pretty. I just love these. These are all so beautiful and perfect for different styles. This super cute dainty heart is adorable. I also really like this one. This one is so cute, and it reminds me of my grandma, she used to love elephants. And then I got a ton of really fun earrings. I love the look of these. I love the little stones. They're so shiny and the perfect size. I also have these that I really like. I would have never thought that I would like these so much, but they look adorable. And y'all know I love to mix and match my earrings, and these with these little studs look so cute. And I love to wear these on a night out. I love the double hoop look, and they are beautiful quality. I have very, very sensitive ears, and these don't make my ears hurt or turn blue or anything like that. I love these. They're like little coins. So I'll go ahead and link everything they sent over down below. They are great quality. And once again, if you want to splurge on finer jewelry, you always get your certificate and you know you're buying a good quality piece. And if you want to get the look for less, you can also check out their other jewelry pieces. Like I said, they're still amazing quality. Thank you to them for working with me in today's video. Definitely check them out. Y'all know I love getting jewelry off Amazon, and this is a great company. I'm so excited because Amazon sent over a Prime Day preview box so I can share with y'all some early Prime Day sales, and these products are so good. So let me show you. I love Sunday Riley. I think they're a great skincare company. They make great products, and the CEO Glow is like a cult favorite. I used to use it a few years ago, and now I have another one to start using again. It really makes your skin nice and glowy. It's almost like a vitamin C oil instead of a serum, so it's perfect to wear during the day under makeup. I also used to wear it at night. It's just a really good face oil, and it's always nice to get skincare on sale. I've been on a white bag kick lately, and I love the size of this one. This one is by Teardrop, which is one of Amazon's brands with influencers. They do really cool fashion collabs, and this is such a cute little bag. I love the texture and the color. It has a handle and also a crossbody strap. Let me show you. Look how freaking cute. This really reminds me of more expensive designer bags, but for way less. And if you can get it on sale, definitely grab it. I'm definitely taking this on my summer trips. Y'all, it's like they knew I needed some new headphones because I lost my AirPods, and honestly, y'all, I feel like AirPods aren't that good, but that's a story for another time. These are by the brand Jabra, Jabra, and these are the Elite 4 Active. They come in a nice black case that is pretty slim. I'm gonna be trying these out, and I'll do a full-on review, but my husband got so excited when he saw these because he said this is a great brand for headphones. So now I have these, and I'll be sure to give them a good try before reviewing them for y'all. But I love wireless earpods. Another cult classic that will be on sale is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is amazing. It's a great lip moisturizer, overnight mask, just as a lip balm you can use as well. And this one comes with a cute little spatula that you can use to scoop it out. I freaking love this. I still have mine. It lasts forever, and it's amazing for hydrating your lip. And these always go on sale on Prime Day. They're my favorite for checking the weather, playing music, playing podcasts. They're amazing, and this one is such a nice little size. So stay tuned on my channel and over on Instagram, and obviously on my Amazon shop, because I will be updating all the Prime deals, all the things. I will be sharing things all week and weekend long until Prime Day ends. So I'm super excited to share everything with y'all. Stay tuned for more. My birthday is in a week. I'm panicking. I don't want to talk about it. So instead, I'm buying supplies to make myself a birthday cake. Why? I don't know. So I got some food coloring. I went for the highest reviewed one on Amazon, and it comes with 24 for 12 bucks, which I feel like it's so affordable. And these can be used in food, but also to do crafts and things like that. These are all the colors that come in this box, and I thought that was such a good deal. Stay tuned. Let's see how well this cake turns out. I'm sure I'll vlog it if it's not a fail. And for that cake, I got this. I had this in my current wish list tab on my Amazon shop for the longest time because I love foiled gold balloons with the big numbers. I'm very obnoxious like that, and I thought this was adorable. It just says Old AF, and they look like little gold balloons. Okay, I've been wanting this for a while, and I don't know why I never got it because they're literally $6, but they are these wire organizers or storage for the wires on your appliances or things. So they come with like a sticky thing. I already used the white one, but I got the 2-pack, and you stick it in the back of like a toaster, for example. That's where the white one is. And you wrap the cord, and that way you don't have to like be messing with the cord or have nowhere to put it, or wrap it around the appliance and have it mess up. I think this is really convenient, and like I said, pretty inexpensive. The one thing I would say, I wish it had a spot for the actual like plug to go in, like I don't know, maybe like a little opening or something. Like I can still wrap it around, it fits in there, but that's my only like issue with it. But besides that, super inexpensive, and it really does work. So I have a 10-month-old, and she is actually obsessed, like almost like if it was her job to throw things from her high chair. So I decided to get only plates that have suction, because I was tired of cleaning up messes, and I was tired of the dogs eating everything in sight. So I got this set. It comes in a 3-pack, and I love this one because it comes with lids. Sometimes she doesn't finish all her food, and these plastic lids are great. They wash really well. The colors are obviously adorable, but most importantly, they're functional because they really stick. I love that they have 4 suction cups instead of just 1, and she is not strong enough for these, surprisingly. So these are pretty affordable, and like I said, they really work. More things for Olivia. These are little chains that you can attach to 2 things, so double-sided chains. You know me in English. Anyway, she loves to throw her toys off the pacifier, off the car seat and her stroller. So I thought I could start, you know, tying them, so one end goes on the toy, the other one can go like on a pacifier clip, or it can go on the car seat like to the side, or on the stroller bar, whatever. So this one comes in a set with a ton of them, and once again, super inexpensive, and they really do work. If I had to choose, the colors wouldn't be so like obnoxiously color blocked, but I don't care, they worked, which is what matters, because I cannot tell you how many things she's dropped on her walks that I never found again. So guys, that's everything for today's video. Do not worry, I have tons more Amazon videos coming this month, so definitely subscribe and stay tuned for more. Like I said, it's Prime Day month, so I'm gonna be posting a ton of recommendations, giveaways, all the sales. So follow me on here, subscribe, and follow me over on Instagram for more updates, more Amazon recommendations and giveaways. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.